Have you just started to learn some scale patterns and think that you're going to be able to do some improvising, but you just can't seem to get out of those sort of ruts of just running up and down the scale at the same time? Well, I've got some good news for you. I'm going to help you to fix that. I am going to show you today some awesome licks that you will add to your playing so that you can intersperse them with some sort of scale runs, and it will make you sound instantly 10,000 times better. I promise. I have a chart which you should be able to see now at the bottom of the screen. Here is lick 1. We're only going to work in the minor pentatonic here. So we're going to go up. That's the first part of that lick. Okay, I've got my third finger. You've heard this before, right? I've got my third finger and I'm going to bend from D to E. So basically bend, 5, 5. Now that could be a lick in itself, right? So if you have that. Right? But I've added a little bit here. Pretty nice, huh? So you'll have heard this before. Now, the thing with these licks, it's good to learn them a certain way, but I guess you can also muck them up. So instead of going, you could play, or, any way you like. You don't even need to play the A there, you could play it back here, you know? If you wanted to stay here and go that way, or go that way. Depends what you want to do, right? So, okay, so is our first lick. Number 2. Oh, that's not what I've got written down. That's what it is. What I've got written down, but also cool. So there's a bit of a bluesy one. So you go, that's a big bend from 12 to 15, then 10. All the way down that bluesy thing, bend up. So another another little unison bend there. Nice, huh? So, but I like. Kind of makes it bluesier somehow. I don't know. I don't know, man. B.B. King, right? Okay, so the third one I've got written down is really just kind of a variation of the first one. It's like a roll. Yeah? So, bend, bend, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up with the pick. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Ha! Okay, now number 4 is... This one might have come from an Eric Clapton thing, I think. I mean, like... Oh my God, I've got the t-shirt on. That was weird. That was totally not intentional. That must be the universe talking to me. You are going to do a licks riff today. It is going to be an Eric Clapton from the Blues Breakers album riff. Maybe. Anyway. If you haven't heard All Your Love by Eric Clapton and the Blues Breakers, well, Blues Breakers featuring Eric Clapton, I think it is, because it's really John Mayall's Blues Breakers. But you should check that out. Okay, number 5, we're going to go up to position 4. We're going to go 12 and 13. We're going to bend them to get that nasty. nasty. Very nasty indeed. Little bend, and then we're going to do a pull off. 14 to 12. Those sort of skips, those intervallic skips, so basically skips in the scale, always going to be great. So that there really is just a little A minor 7 arpeggio. But see how it rolls? So it's beautiful, isn't it? Really, really not impossible, and it will make you sound 10,000 times better. All right, next up, number 6. Oh yeah, one of my absolute I play it too much favourites. Kind of like Born Under a Bad Sign by Albert King. You know, that kind of thing. We're basically going up a C major triad and then landing on A to make it sound minory. Okay, cool. All right, number 7. Sort of like a Johnny Hooker kind of thing. Yeah. That kind of thing, right? So 3rd finger here on D, the 7th fret of the G string. Hit that. Hit that. Come back down. Yeah. So kind of thing. Now what have I got written down actually? Perfectly good. Number 8. Oh yeah, so the thing is, so if you have like a little lick just that runs over a number of, you can kind of make it roll. Yeah, so see what I mean? So what have I got? 5, 8, 5. So basically E, G, E, D. Now, the thing I should have mentioned is that any of these techniques you can copy and put in a different place. That might be from Stairway, maybe? You know, that kind of thing. But you can do those any fingers you like. See what I mean? It's just, the world literally is your oyster. Okay, then my favourite 4. There's really basically just going down the minor pentatonic there, but you can make it sound way cooler. Do a little double stop. Much more interesting. All right. And finally, kind of country-ish. So basically 8 to 10. 8. So let's just have a listen. What I'll do is I'll demonstrate each lick as part of my little backing track here, which is sneakily a Bill Withers song. You probably know it, but without the turnaround. So let's just put it on. First one. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Fast. play a scale run, and then I'm going to put one of these licks in. Another scale run, and I put another lick in. See what I mean? All I'm going is up and down that scale. Lick. Scale. Lick. Scale. Lick. See what I mean? Anyway. Oh, really should put the pedal board in front of me. Anyway. So, thanks so much for watching. I do appreciate it. If you would like this little chart, just let me know and I will send it over to you, no problem at all. You just need to go to www.simonmorell.com/free-chart. If you are able to support the channel, and let's hope you are, $3 a month gets you access to over all my charts and a whole bunch of other stuff. You can go and check that out at www.patreon.com/Simon Morell. And if you're just happy with 2 lessons a week, who wouldn't be? You can subscribe here at Simon Morell Guitar. I will see you next time. Do enjoy this. It's a fun time, and it'll get you out of just that running up and down. I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.